This is the Masonry Wall Design Interactive Calculator, which analyzes the structural capacity of masonry walls under various loading conditions. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: Axial Load Capacity, Slenderness and Stability Check, Flexural Strength out of plane, Combined Axial and Flexural, Shear Capacity, and Eccentric Loading Analysis. For this demonstration, I'm using Axial Load Capacity mode. The required inputs are wall thickness T in millimeters, wall length L in meters, effective height H in meters, masonry compressive strength FM in megapascals, eccentricity E in millimeters, and reduction factor phi. Let's work through an example. I'll enter wall thickness of 200 millimeters, wall length of 4.5 meters, effective height of 3.2 meters, masonry compressive strength of 8.5 megapascals, eccentricity of 33.3 millimeters, and reduction factor of 0.6. After clicking Calculate, the results show phi PN equals 2417.2 kilonewtons, which is the factored axial load capacity. The H over T ratio is 16.0, indicating the wall slenderness. The E over T ratio is 0.166, showing the eccentricity ratio. The status shows acceptable, confirming the wall design meets capacity requirements. This calculator streamlines masonry wall analysis for structural engineers. Find the link in the description below.